I got one. Yes. Fidget spinners. Spin it on your fingers. Whee! So, yes, we finally have a fidget spinner. Here, I just got this from Walmart. I opened it. Look at this. You can see my eye through that hole. When I do this, it's like pixelated. Pixelated eye. Anywho, I already know some tricks. I spun it on my Poinky when I was talking to Liam. Hey! You guys saw that. That was this. It was my pinky. Pinky spinner. Did you see that? It bounced right into the middle of my hand. That is epic. Awesome. Shout out to Super Adam, dude. I saw your video. You also got a fidget spinner. Look at this. Spinning on a plate. Oh! Spinning on a plate. And also something else, Super Adam, dude. These aren't super rare. They're just rare. You can get them in lots of different stores and off of Amazon and other websites. They're just rare. They're not that easy to find. This isn't the only one that I'll be having. Watch! Yeah, so July 1st, in July, I'm getting another fidget spinner, and it's going to be a blue camo one. These are so addictive. Okay, so that's all we need for today. Oh, fidget spinners! Whoa! Comment hashtag fidget spinner if you want to, I don't know, just comment something like fidget spinner. Whee! It's like a chainsaw. I'm gonna cut my hand. Ouch, that actually kind of hurt. I'm just kidding. Okay, bye guys. Wait a minute. I forgot to tell you where you can get them. You can get these at Walmart. Like the Walmart near Loblaws. You can get them there. So bye guys. See you next time. Fidget spinners. Whee!